spends her time getting wasted away, wasted away. Take a couple more shots to the face, a couple more drinks, you won't mind how that tastes. She smiles but inside she wanna cry, I can see it in her face. She's wasted away, come on now, don't get wasted away. Come on girl, don't get wasted away. Come on now, you can do it, you can make it out, girl, if you don't waste it away. Spoiled rotten, she was only 18 when she graduated high school, pursuing her dreams. She wanted money, cars, clothes, you know, the finer of things. She had a boyfriend just to show she was no one-night fling, and she was happy and content on the outside it seemed, but inside she felt hurt, pain, was angry and mean. No self-esteem even though she was the homecoming queen. Without a bat, a pound of makeup, she refused to be seen. You see, she loved her mom and dad, but now they didn't love each other. And she knows her mom's cheating, but she keeps it undercover, cause they argue so much she wonders if they even love her. And on top of that, she's stressed about college after the summer. Now the stress is building up and she can't handle the weight. She started hanging out with lowlifes cause they could relate. She started getting drunk and high because that made her feel great. Now would've never guessed the turn that her summer would take. She's wasted away,